Hi, my name is Josh with NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com. Today I wanted to do a video for you folks in regards to a buyer's guide for the Zap Operator product line that we are offering. The Zap Operator product is a side mount or jackshaft style operator. They are all DC drive operators with a soft start, soft stop technology, and all do contain the latest Safety Sense technology. The Safety Sense technology is turning the door into an entire safety device. So this does make the Zap Operator one of the safest operators on the market today. The operators do range from a wide variety of commercial models and then also a residential model, and we will get into that here shortly. I do want to mention that the Zap Operator works on any sectional overhead door, all the way down to 6x6 in size, all the way up to commercially 30x16. So it does function very, very large sectional overhead doors, whether the track is low headroom, standard lift, high lifted, full vertical lift, and even rear mount torsion. The operator does have cycle count, which is continuous, so there is no thermal overload or overheating with this operator. It is set up to run non-stop cycles. I'd like to start off first with our light duty 825 Series 3 commercial operator. This particular model is set up for smaller commercial sectional doors. This particular operator does have an equivalent half horsepower motor. It does have a plastic round gear and a metal worm gear inside the gearbox, which makes it more of a light duty, as I mentioned, operator. And this is set up to run doors that are very small in size, such as your 8x8s or 8x7s or 10x10s. Really your 10x12s or 12x12s are really getting to the maximum limit of what the operator can handle. I'd like to move on from the small 825. We go on to our 8825 Series 3 commercial operator, and that is where we're going to step up to the medium duty operator. Really, that particular operator is upgrading not only the motor but the gearing as well. That particular operator is going to double the size of the motor, going from a half horse to a 1 horsepower motor, and it will contain all metal gears in the gearbox. That particular operator is set up to run sectional overhead doors down to a very small size, such as a 6x6, all the way up to and including a 14x16. So it can function quite a range of doors there, again with all those same track configurations, high lift, low headroom, rear mount torsion, etc., as the smaller 825 Series 3. When we get into larger sectional overhead doors exceeding the 14x16 size, all the way up to and including a 30-foot wide by 16-foot tall, we steer everyone towards the HP or the high power Zap model operator, and that is the 8825 Series 3 HP. That particular unit comes in 3 variations depending on the track configuration. But all 3 operators include a motor that's equivalent to a 1.5 horsepower motor. There again, you still get all metal gearing in the gearbox, as well as the capability of running doors with the various track configurations, rear mount torsion, front torsion, etc. You still get all the wonderful technology of continuous duty, the Safety Sense. That all applies to all the Zap Operator models. We also offer a residential model, the Zap 8825-R4. It's the latest, most innovative operator in the market today. That particular operator is available, and it's very small in size as well. 2 pulleys, 1 belt, very quiet, and does contain the Safety Sense technology too. Now that particular residential operator is very nice in comparison to the commercial models for the fact that it does include quite a few accessories. You get a pre-installed motor cover, remotes, 2 handheld remotes rather. The wireless keypad is an option. and you do have the capability of running any of the Zap model operators, such as the residential, with one of our added accessories called the GoGo Gate 2 device, which is allowing you to run that particular model via your smartphone or tablet. The R4, the residential unit, back to that rather, it does contain a equivalent 1 horsepower motor, all metal gearing, running your heavy carriage house doors, 16 by 8, 18 by 8, even up to 20 by 8, with all the different track configurations, even rear mount torsion. So all these operators can be mounted in various positions. Vertical is standard, horizontal, inverted or upside down, even inside the cable drum, up above the door opening, upside down, if there's side clearance issues. So the residential operator is definitely something to consider for your residential sectional overhead doors. I'm hoping this buyer's guide will help you make the right choice, smart choice, and in turn giving you and or your customer a very safe and longevity style operator. Thank you for watching.